Sometimes, if you want something done, you just have to go out and do it yourself.
We knew that Muslims needed a better variety of halal options, so we went ahead and created our very own range. And we've called ourselves Haludis, the Halal Foodies. Our food is aimed at you, the millennial Muslim, who is loyal to your faith, but who is hungry for quality and ethically sourced halal that fits into your busy life. And we saw no reason why you shouldn't have it.
Haludis offers halal that is pre-cooked and ready to eat. Our products are made from 100% chicken breast and come in a variety of world flavors. So tempting that they'll keep everyone coming back for more, whatever their age. Haludis is proud to be 100% Muslim owned. You can put your trust in us. We offer you outstanding ready-to-eat products whilst upholding the values of halal and tayyib.
The delicious Haludis cooked range is available in Tesco stores now. Visit Amazon Fresh and Ocado for other Haludis cooked and fresh products.